All right, I got a quick video for you today with a couple new tool releases for Milwaukee Tool, the Red Tool Company. Announced these actually yesterday, but I've been shellacking a little bit. But I'm going to get them to you. If you're in this platform, you got to be loving life. I say this all the time because pretty much every week they're coming out with new stuff. Can't say that for all the other tool companies. So it's pretty cool to see that. And this right here is a little bit different. I was surprised. I sort of went through this a little bit. So let's just talk about basically what they're coming out with. They're going to be announcing three new rechargeable personal lights. Now, people think of lighting and they're like, man, it's kind of boring, but these things come in really handy. So if you're into trades, if you're an HVAC or a mechanic or construction, whatever you do, I don't know what you do, but these little compact lights really do come in handy. So it says these rechargeable personal lights feature a built-in battery. So they're going to deliver a subcompact design and light the tightest spaces. So they're saying that these are a built-in battery. I'm going to look and see if we can find some pictures. I'm sure we have them. Usually they use the 4-volt batteries, but this right here says it's going to be like a built-in one. So pretty interesting. I haven't seen that before. I don't believe for them. It's usually the 4 volt. So the rechargeable clip light provides up to 300 lumens of true value high definition output for on person and on surface lighting. The light is designed with a versatile clip, 165-degree light head, mobility, and magnetic base for hands-free lighting on the job. The rechargeable pivoting task light with spot mode delivers up to 600 lumens of true view, high definition output equipped with precision spot and flood modes, unlimited light head mobility, and a compact magnetic base for easy mounting in the tight spaces. And then the rechargeable flat flashlight, green laser delivers up to 1300 lumens of true view. They always come out with their wording, man. Trademark. Where's the trademark at? High definition output and high visibility green laser for high output inspections. In addition, this light has a built-in ruler and a flat pocket design for fast measurement storage. So it was a pretty quick release. Didn't have much in there. It just says launch date June 26th. I'll see if I can pull some prices here in a second, but let me show you a couple of the photos. All right, there's a lot of photos here. So we're going to go through them pretty quickly because I don't want to drag this video out. Here you go. So you can see the clip, which is pretty freaking cool. And I'm not seeing, let me see where this thing charges in at. So he got it on his hat. He's underneath stuff. He's in tight spaces and such. There you go. There is your C-port. You're going to be able to charge that up. Pretty nice. Did it say how long these things ran? Well, just short. Like I said, it was a quick press release. If I read that, great. But there's nothing else. So it looks like they're going to come with the C-port. Come on with the notifications. Every time I do a video, I get 500 notifications. Any other time, nobody wants to talk to me. I do a video, they're like, I got to send an email immediately. Oh, by the way, we got ratchet videos coming up here. The new ratchets from Milwaukee Tool. So yeah, they got a lot of cool lights. This looks like it's going to be impact resistant. Going to be water and dust resistant, I'm sure. Heavy duty stuff. So there you go. I got a little stand on the back there. It's pretty real nice like. And okay, this is the flat light. This looks really freaking cool. It's flat. You can put it in your pocket. Got the green laser on there. So I'm guessing if you're in the trades, this is probably going to be something that you're probably going to think is real nice like. But I'm curious to know what you think about that. I'll see if I can find these prices here in a second. You got the little measure right there on the side. Hope you can see these pictures. I'm trying to go fast because there's a lot of pictures. Just pause the video. There's your green laser. And that comes, okay, that's it. So that also comes with the rechargeable. So built in, they're going to have to do built in. They're not going to be able to put the 4 volt in here and keep that flat like that. So I look for the prices. The only thing I can find is June 2026. They probably don't have the prices, this is the first time I have not been able to find the price on Acme Tools like immediately. Like they don't even have them up on the website yet, which is sort of surprising because they usually always have stuff up very quickly for pre-order. No prices on this. It feels to me that people are shellacking when it comes to the information on this stuff. I would love to have some prices on this, but I just don't have them for you. So if you want to see these, I'll try to get my hands on them when they come out. Subscribe, hit the bell notification. That way you don't miss out on it. Check out this video right now. Smash the like button on this one. It helps the channel. Back with more videos soon.